Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming eligibility and assembling documents. This prevents rejections. Check whether you meet resignation, retirement, or transfer criteria, and whether employer approval is required. Next, collect your UAN-linked ID, PF account number, a canceled check, and any tax forms like Form 15G. Once done, log into the PF portal and verify that Aadhaar and PAN are KYC verified and linked. This reduces verification delays and lets you submit withdrawal requests immediately. You now initiate the withdrawal online through Member Online Services claim. Select the correct claim type, Form 19 for final settlement, 10C for pension withdrawal, or 31 for partial withdrawal, and state the reason. Enter and confirm bank details and upload any required scan documents. Then authenticate your request using Aadhaar OTP or digital signature. This is the legal verification step. Once submitted, note the claim ID. It lets you track status and contact support if processing stalls. You finish by monitoring the claim and track claim. Processing times vary from 3 days to about 30 depending on employer verification. If the claim is rejected, read the rejection reason carefully, correct inaccurate details, then resubmit with the missing documents or obtain employer attestation. Make sure to keep the claim ID handy. If online fixes fail, visit the regional EPFO office with original documents or call the help desk and give the claim ID. That usually resolves stubborn verification or banking mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.